This generator is very nice. It is the engine power is 24 kilowatt and the frequency is 50 Hz and it is the voltage is 400 voltage. You can see, okay. This side is the alternator. This alternator brand is the Siemens. This engine brand is the Weichai. It is Weichai. Let us to see the details. This is the Weichai, original Weichai. Okay, we can see this generator, this engine controller. You can see it is very nice. Our customers ordered the 3 sets together. And if you need the marine generator set, you just need to ask the generator power you need and the voltage and the frequency. If you need the generator working time is very long, in normal we suggest you choose good brand about it. Since some who not have the good quality marine generator, they cannot work very long time. And for the generator said, some customers compare the marine generator price or the land type generator. They may compare some more price are different. Differences are big. Please do not worry. They may match the engine. The engine model is different. If the engine power is big, the generator set price is high. And for the generator, we also supply 1 year quality warranty. We normal many customers order the Weichai marine generator and the lifetime generator from us. We supply different power. You just need to ask the power you need. It's okay.